Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your first project in DaVinci Resolve. And so first things first, we're going to start up DaVinci Resolve. And so what we have here is our project manager window, and this is where all of your Resolve projects are going to be stored and managed. We're going to click on the new project button here to get started with, well, a new project. So we're just going to call it Untitled Project 1, and if we're okay with the default media location, then we're going to go ahead and click Create. And so welcome to the DaVinci Resolve program. And here there are several workspaces which can help you focus on different aspects of your projects. So if you come down here to the very bottom, you can access those. So we'll be going over these very briefly. So here we have the media workspace, which is used for importing and organizing footage. Next, we have the cut workspace, which allows you to, well, make very fast-paced cuts. And then we have the editing workspace, which is the primary editing timeline for your project. And if you're familiar with Premiere Pro, like myself, this is going to be the one that you're going to be using the most. Next, you have Fusion, which is DaVinci's version of After Effects. So this is used for advanced visual effects and motion graphics. Next, you have Color, which is used for, well, color, professional color grading, which is the specialty of DaVinci Resolve, and actually was how the DaVinci Resolve program originally started was a color correction program. Fun fact. Then next we have Fairlight, which is their version of Adobe Audition. So it is their audio editing and mixing workspace. And last but certainly not least, we have Deliver, which is their version of Adobe Media Encoder. So this is where you insert all the different export settings before, well, exporting your project. And so we'll get things started by going down to our media workspace. So go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go to the desktop where I have some project files that I worked on for a previous project here on the desktop. And from there, we're going to go to the Hanami Promo 2024. Click on that, and we have different video files as well as picture files. And so we're just going to drag and select all of these files here, and then we're going to drag them into the media pool down below. Now you could also select all of the media files and right click and add into the media pool. And from here, we'll go to the edit workspace down below, click on that. And so from the editing workspace, we'll go up here to media pool, click on that. We'll go ahead, drag and select all of these clips and pictures and drag them onto the timeline here. Now, DaVinci Resolve will create this timeline settings based on the first clip. So if you have different media assets with different resolutions or different frame rates or things like that, that's something you have to be aware of for editing later. Additionally, you can also drag and select the clips that you want, right click and click on Create New Timeline using selected clips. And from here, you can adjust certain settings as well. Once they are up to your liking, you can go ahead and click Create. And it'll add all the clips and assets as selected. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you set up your very first project in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about DaVinci Resolve, be sure to leave it in the comments down below, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is Andy, signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.